Hello friends, Dr. Ken Bird here. What is the most baffling thing you can think about facing you in society today? When you can't explain something that baffles you, you might need to allow your mind to take a metaphysical approach. But what is metaphysical? Metaphysical simply means a reality that is beyond your normal sense of perception. That means you have to look behind what is physical to the deeper spiritual aspect of the thing. And I'd like to relate this to a prevalent issue in society today. And I start by saying, any leader that confines himself outside the standard of society's laws, moral laws and social laws, and prevails against any sanctions and accountability, has achieved for himself the status of a demon. Such a one can only be stopped with the appropriate measures of denunciation known to man. By understanding the metaphysics of the situation, you know that the Satan is only a spirit force or energy active in whomever it is found. The Jewish man Yeshua ben Yosef, we commonly know as Jesus, was speaking to his protege, Peter, when he said these words, "Get behind me, Satan." That's what he said to Peter. I can imagine Peter mumbling under his breath, saying to himself, "You're talking to me like that? Not because you think God is your father, you're going to talk to me like that." But Peter must have taken deference to being called the Satan. Yet Yeshua, Jesus, had a great insight into the metaphysical nature of the Satan and was speaking to Peter as he saw it expressed in him. So to vanquish the demonic behavior of any leader, you must know and understand how the metaphysical aspect of the Satan exists in a wayward leader, and confront it and exorcise it from society. It may also require the prayers of millions supplicating in concert and appropriate consistency to do the job. But know for sure, the method must be metaphysical, because this kind of thing is metaphysical. Know and understand that the metaphysical approach can become necessary because life is metaphysical.